Hello guys, my name is Rana Mir. I am student of Dharma Siddhesa University. I am studying instrumentation and control engineering here. This video is all about the assignment work given by our faculty of professional communication, in which I have to talk about the topic: should all interns to be paid for their work or not? I think this is a very good topic to talk about, as I am in the third year of engineering right now, and my internship is also after the external examination. So yes, I think all interns should be paid for their work, because it will encourage the students to do more and more work with the company. They can make their relation stronger with the company. They can prove themselves better here. They can prove them. They can prove themselves. Why should they can be higher in the future in the same company? So coming back to the point, second point, uh, paying to the interns will be beneficial for the company as well, because the candidate who got paid are gonna talk good things about the company in the society, which attract more and more people towards the company. At the same time, we look at the student who got not paid for the intern, gonna tell bad things about the company in the society. He will spread rumors, he will manipulate the reputation of the company. So the internship will hire the good amount of students for the industrial work or any other work. To the third point is that the students who got their internship in the third year of vacation of a third year engineering will be beneficial by the internship the most, because the experience and the knowledge they have gained in the company, they can use this knowledge in their final year project. Also, the money they get from the internship is also beneficial for them, and they can use this money in their final year project. All the students wants to make their last year project as much as good as possible. So yes, this will be beneficial for the student as well. Coming to my fourth point, that which I also think that this is the most important for the any student, that paid interns will have a more opportunity to get a job, because the experience and knowledge they have gained in the internship is valuable, and it can be applied at the time of the interview. They can answer the question very quickly and use their knowledge into their company. Also, their resume will be powerful and heavy in comparison to the others. Coming to the fifth point, that the company will hire you for the good quality of work. Company wants to have a good quality of work from you. They want that students deliver a good work here. They just don't roam around the company and enjoy the free time. Also, the company by paying to the interns, gonna make sure that you are the part of their family. You are the part of the company, and if you did the good work in that, they will make sure to you will be a full time positioner in that company. So coming to the last point, paid interns will attract more and more candidates towards your company. As I have already told you that the interns who has been paid gonna tell good things about your company in the society. So this will attract the more candidates to your company. So these are the these are the points I want to share with you guys, and I may not be completely right, but as a part of the assignment, this is my thoughts and view on this topic. Hope you like it, and thank you.